All right, the last lecture that I'm going to give you for the year. So when you watch it, you may not watch it. I'll try to put a bad dad joke in it to make you watch it and see what happens. But for the most part, the last unit here talks about, we've been talking about prisms and their volume and their surface area. We've been talking about pyramids and their volume and their surface area. And then what we could talk about is sometimes things are put together. Things are put together. And we got to figure out what it is. And so, for the most part, sometimes we have things put together. Like, for example, this one right here is made of two pieces here, right? Two. You got two of them there, right? You got this block right here. There. And you got this block right here. And so if we want to figure out the volume for that composite, well, we have to find the volume of this one and then add to the volume of this one. And so that's what happens here. Length times width times height, 768. And then length times width times height, 384. Add it together. And you got cubic inches. Remember, cubic, because we're looking for the volume. Now let's go to the next one here. Next one. Okay, pointer. Boom. All right. Another one. Volume of composite figure. Volume. And then the volume is, like I said, the volume works kind of easy here, right? I get my eraser out here. Because volume is a lot easier. It just is. It's just one simpler calculation that we're working with here. Now with this one right here, again, we see a prism and we see a pyramid sitting on top of it. Pyramid on top of it. Here. So there's your pyramid right on top. Right there, right on top. And so what they did is they took that pyramid and was able to put it right here. So you figure out the area of your cube here. 8 times 8 times 8, 512. And then you get your volume of a pyramid, 1/3 the base times that height. So 8 times 8, 64, times 5, divided by 3, 106.7, and add it together, and you get your total, cubic feet, 618. Let's go to our next one. Man, I hope I have enough time for a joke. A good pointer. And we have the next one, 3. All right, now we talk surface area. Now it gets a little bit more difficult when we're looking at surface area here. But you still want to think about what you're looking at here, right? Still want to think about your shapes and what you're bringing together here, and realize that each shape has a face. This is a face. This is a face. This is a face. And this face and this face, is technically the same area as this far face. And so you got to realize that stuff right there. And so if you can figure out this one in here by breaking it into two pieces here, which is what they did, and you just add it in there. So look at right here, 8 times 16 plus 8 times 8, boom, is 192. 2 times 192 is what they're doing there, because you got a front. Oh, let me point it back again. You got a front and you get a back with that shape. Now we talk about length times width. 6 times 16. Well, that's this part. Yes, this is 6 is right here and 16 up. And 2 times 96, because again, this back side is going to be the same as this front side. The left is going to be the same as the right. Just because it goes in doesn't mean it's not. All right, I'm going to have to finish this up in the next video here. All right, out here.